Hello everyone, I'm Ain. I'm going to be talking about the history of a cyanotype. First thing first, what is a cyanotype? Cyanotype is a photographic printing process that produces a precision blue image. It was invented in 1842 by John Herschel, an English astronomer and chemist. This process is based on the light sensitivity of a mixture of iron salts. When the mixture is exposed to light, the iron salts are converted to ferric ions. These ferric ions can then react with potassium ferricyanide to produce the Prussian blue image. Now, let's watch a video of a process of cyanotype making, shall we?
Our love for plants and a desire to create awareness about their diverse roles in our ecosystem inspired us to create this unique DIY cyanotype tote bag design. We chose 3 fascinating species, each with a distinct story. The first species, Micana micantha, or the mild amide vine, is a fast-growing vine that symbolizes resilience with its heart-shaped leaves representing interconnectedness. The second species, Daracharis cristata, or the crested wood fern, is an elegant fern that embodies beauty and strength with its crested tips highlighting nature's hidden wonders. And lastly, the third species, Cromolena odorata, or the siang weed, is a deceptively charming weed that serves as a cautionary tale, urging us to approach the unknown with bold curiosity and caution. By combining these 3 diverse species on our tote bag, we hope to spark conversations about the importance of understanding plant life and its impact on our planet. All 3 species belong to the same kingdom Plantae, boasting simple leaves with intricate pinnate venation. They also share the feature of having a midrib and petiole, supporting their individual leaves. Interestingly, they all belong to the same order of flowering plants, Astralis, or the first equivalent, Polypodialis, which reside within the phylum Magnoliophyta. This tote bag is not just a fashion statement, but also a platform to advocate for environmental awareness and responsible interaction with the natural world. So, let's work together to protect the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems as we appreciate the beauty and complexity of plants.
The concept of a symphony of shapes emphasizes the harmonious interplay of various botanical shapes, patterns, and texture brought together in a cohesive design. The combination of diverse plant shapes symbolizes the unity of nature's forms, highlighting the interconnectedness of different botanical elements. There are 3 species from 3 families of plants that we use in the bandana, which are the flower of Izora coccinea, the leaf from Hydra hellis, and Coleus monostaceus. Izora coccinea is a species of flowering plants in the family Rubiaceae. Izora coccinea was bisexual or perfect flower with radial symmetry. The type of sepals or calyx of this flower are simpipalus, while the type of the petal or colora are sympetalis. Izora coccinea are usually brightly in color, ranging from red and pink to orange and yellow depending on the species. The flowers are arranged in bands and known for their showy and attractive appearance. These flowers also are used for landscaping due to their vibrant and long-lasting flowers. Another plants that we use are Heterohelix that belongs to the Araliaceae family. The type of leaf of Heterohelix is a simple plant and evergreen climbing or ground creeping woody plant. The leaf has palmate loop with a distinctive ivy shape. It has palmate vein and 15 to 20 mm long of petiole, which is the stalk that attaches to the stem. The leaf margins are entire, which is smooth. Heterohelix is characterized by its climbing habit to surfaces by means of aerial rootlets. It is often grown for ornamental purposes and to cover walls or structures for aesthetic purpose. Last but not least, we use Calice monitaceous that belongs to family Lamiaceae as one of the main plants on the banana. It has simple leaf and oval shape of leaf. The pinnate pattern of the leaf fine, giving the aesthetic features to the bandana with its 2 until 9.5 cm long of petiole. The leaf margins are usually crenate, make this leaf was main part on the bandana. Calice monitaceous produces spikes of small and tubular flowers. In traditional medicine, Calice monitaceous is used in various cultures for its potential medicinal properties.
Hi everyone, now we will continue with Bandana 2. For Bandana 2, we are using concept of harmony in bloom. The theme chosen intended to emphasize the serene and tranquil ambience where people can enjoy and relax their mind while looking at the design presented on the bandana. It also can help to re-establish a connection with the natural world and find solace in the basic yet unique and beautiful beauty of plants. The combination of few flowers and plants highlighted the notion of floral symphony in the which various and diverse beauty of flowers combined to produce a harmonious and enchanting composition that was eye-catching. We were using 3 different species of plant, which are Hibiscus rosa sinensis, Farisha saccharosa, and Calice monitaceous. Want to know more detail? Let's go! Firstly, I will explain a bit about Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Hibiscus rosa sinensis is commonly known as hibiscus, or in local name we call bunga raya. Hibiscus belong to family Malvaceae, and the genus name is hibiscus. On our bandana, we are focusing on its flower. Hibiscus are monoecious, or a bisexual flower, where it have both staminate and carpellate on the same individual flower. All the 5 free petals are joined together at the base of sepal, and the leaf of hibiscus is arranged in a spiral arrangement around a long stalk. The flower have radial symmetry which allow pollination by many types of insect. The type of sepal is aposepalous, while the type of petals is sympatalous, where the petals are fused together. Hibiscus can be found in different color, including pink, red, orange, and yellow. Next is Farisha saccharosa. We're also focusing on its flower. Farisha saccharosa is belong to family Cactaceae, and the genus name is Farisha. Farisha saccharosa is a bisexual flower, or known as monoecious flower, because it contains staminate and carpellate on the same individual flower. It has radial symmetry of flower. The type of sepal is asepalous, where it has no sepal, while the type of petal is apopetalous. The family of Cactaceae, therefore, this is the plant that is a circular plant where the stem is thick and enlarged to store water and nutrients. The phyllotaxy of plants is alternate, and the plant have simple leaf. In the family of Cacti, Farisha is the only genus with evergreen that have non-succulent leaves. The interesting about this flower is it have modified stem, which is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the stem that contain chloroplast that can be aid for photosynthesis. It also have thorns or spines, which function as a defense mechanism from the herbivores. Lastly, we will use Calice monitaceous, or also known as monkey's potato, as our design. For this plant, we were focusing on both flower and leaves. Calice monitaceous is belong to family Lamiaceae, and the genus name is Calice. For the flower, it is a monoecious flower where it contains staminate and carpellate on the same flower. It is also a bilateral symmetry. The type of sepals is aposepalous, while the type of petal is sympatalous, where the petals are fused together, forming a corolla cube. For the leaf type is herbaceous perennial plant or simple leaf, and the leaf shape is ovate. The leaf vein is a pinnate pattern, which have the midrib at the central vein running along the center of each leaf. The petiole is around 2 to 9.5 cm long and pubescent along the angles, while the margin is usually crenate.
So guys, what we have learned regarding plant morphology from Cyanotype technique compared to the conventional way is that this technique reveals hidden detail that invisible to the naked eye, that provide accurate and unbiased representation of plant morphology that eliminate the individual perception. Conventional ways such as planographic method provide a limited intake of fine structure and microscopic features that remain hidden from the naked eye. The Cyanotype technique allow for non-destructive analysis, which leaving the plant intact for further examination. That image transforms scientific observation into a beautiful art pieces, fostering a deeper appreciation for plant morphology. This Cyanotype technique enables us to master it by practice and understand the chemical and procedure. And unlike the conventional way, which can be done anywhere with minimal equipment, and it also can be accessible and adaptable to various environments. Conventional way can be influenced by individual perception and limitation of human vision, which can lead to misinterpretation. As example, pornography method is a method which the image is drawn or transferred into a flat stone or metal plate, and this can produce a fine detail like a cyanotype technique. Each technique can cater to different learning style and preference. Some may prefer the simplicity of observation, while the other can enjoy the hands-on and creative aspect of cyanotype technique.
In conclusion, Cyanotype is a captivating art form that combines science and creativity. By understanding its history, technique, and creativity possibilities, you'll be able to identify the leaves and flowers, characteristics of the plants, differentiate between plants, and also appreciate the fascinating world of plant modification. Thank you for joining us today. Let's grab your material and start exploring the art of sign printing.
Small turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on her